Hi there, I'm Jody Lee with LearnBasicBlogging.com. If you're like me, you probably have a business or a product or something that you want to market online. You may be finding that the traditional ways we've been marketing or advertising or promoting ourselves online are changing, and perhaps they're not working as well anymore. I know I'm certainly finding that for my business, so I needed to figure out something else to do. Social media is a huge trend right now, and I simply wanted a piece of it, but I had no idea where to start or how to do it. So I jumped in. Along the way, I learned a lot, I made some mistakes, and I've come out the other end knowing this. Having a solid blog and building relationships with people online is really the direction we need to go right now. What people want from their online experience is to get to know people, and they will do business with people they believe they know a little bit, that they trust a little bit, and that they like. How are you going to do this online? It's a very sterile environment. How are you going to build those relationships? Well, blogging is certainly an excellent venue to do that. It's cost effective, it's easy to do, and I've developed a very basic course for you to do that. Together we can build your blog from the ground up, and it really is for the absolute beginner. I was where you are once. I know what it's like not to understand all of the lingo and to really want to get to that end point. So click on the opt-in, you'll get some more information. I'll even send you a free starter kit, and let's get moving together. This is Jody Lee from LearnBasicBlogging.com.